Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making curry shrimp. Lots of fresh seasonings, lots of spices, got a little amchar masala in there which is from Trinidad. So here's my simple recipe. Our ingredients to start with, we have some fresh shrimp which has been deveined, potatoes, we have tomato, garlic, scotch bonnet, shallot, spring onion, coriander, curry powder, ground jeera, amchar masala and green seasoning. So to start with, we want to season this shrimp. Into a bowl, add your shrimp followed by the green seasoning. I have a recipe above, some garlic and scotch bonnet, salt and pepper. Once all of that's in there, just give it a mix and you can just set this aside to marinate. Whilst the shrimp is marinating, we want to get a pan on and heat it with a little oil. Then we want to chop our shallots or onion, add that to the pan. Just let that start to cook. Then we want to add in all of our spices. So that's the curry powder, amchar masala and ground jeera. Mix that in and you just want to start to cook the spices in the oil until it starts to look like this. Next, you just want to add in some water and then just bring that up to the boil. Then we want to add in the cooked potatoes. Give that a mix together. Then our tomatoes, just going to dice that up quickly and drop those in. Give that a mix again and cover and just leave to simmer for about 5 minutes. So once it starts to look like this, you can see that the spices have really started to cook down now. We want to add in the shrimp. So just drop those into the pan, mix it together, just cover it and cook until the shrimp turns pink. That's when they're done. We don't want to overcook them because they're going to get all horrible and rubbery. So just to finish it off, we want to drop in some fresh coriander or shadon beni, and that is basically done. So this is ready to serve. So I'm just going to serve this with some paratha or bus up shot roti. If you want to see how to make it fully, I have a recipe above, and that is the dish done. Really simple. So just serve those together. This looks absolutely amazing. And yeah, just add the paratha on the side and that is done. All of the spices have just cooked down into the sauce. The tomato kind of thickens it a little bit. So there we have it guys. That's my recipe for curry shrimp with paratha. I hope you like this one. Until the next time, peace and love.